welcome to week 12. Can't believe we're in week 12 already. First run of the week, felt okay. My hamstrings did feel a bit tight as well as my left thigh, so I'm just gonna stretch and put a little bit of the massage gun on it just to help it recover a little bit more. So luckily tomorrow is a cross training day, so that will help quite a bit. So, feeling pretty crampy today, because if you know, you know. Today was a cross training day, which is, I don't know how my body does it, but it times it really weird, which is a blessing in disguise. Usually the first day is the most intense for me, and then the second and maybe third day isn't as too bad. So tomorrow, it shouldn't be as intense since we are doing our next weekday run. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Right now, yeah, feeling crampy right now and slightly moody. Gonna roll with it. Maybe take a nap. I don't know. So we'll see. Well, it's raining pretty heavy, so we gotta go to option number 2. Just check the weather app. I think we may be okay in terms of the rain tomorrow and Saturday, but it does look like there'll be more coming early next week. So we may have to do a few more coffee table runs this training session. I don't have access to a treadmill or have a gym membership, nor do I want or need one. So, I mean, I always find ways to get whatever workout I need done. Long run tomorrow, up to 16 miles. Unfortunately, sunshine is not going to be around for tomorrow. The clouds are starting to roll in during my walk, so gonna bundle up, wear the base layer and the jacket. Hopefully no rain. There shouldn't be, but you never know. It's gonna be fun. It's a bit chilly this morning, but the sun's out. Right now. Ooh, it feels really good. Long run Saturday. We did 16 miles today. I was actually surprised the sun was out, so that was really good. So I just got away with wearing my base layer today, and then roughly around the last 2 miles the cloud cover started coming in, so it wasn't too bad. Feeling okay. Gonna do the massage gun in a bit, just to help the quads a little bit more. We're getting up there. Mileage. It's getting close. Sitting here and relaxing, doing some work, and I just thought, during my long runs or before my long runs, it feels a little intimidating because you're thinking about the miles you have to do. And then once you get out there, you feel fine. Does anyone feel that way when they do their long runs? Because it's a little hilarious, at least for me. Like, I'm trying to psych myself out from going out to do my long run, and then you eventually do it, and then you come back, you're like, Anyways, yeah, random thought of the day. And that completes week 12. First half of the week we had the amazing sunshine, and then of course in the second half the clouds came back in and we had our first official coffee table run of this training season. And by the time our long run day came along, the sunshine came right back just in time for us to go for 16 miles. Felt pretty good in terms of, you know, my pacing during that time, as well as when I had to take breaks when I had to, so I'll probably keep going at that for my next long run. It'll be raining for the next few days, so luckily the weekday runs for the next week are pretty short, so I don't have to worry about the long distances compared to our long run, which I think the sunshine should be back next week. And now for our charity fundraiser for a City of Hope, we had this little tiny baby bump this week with $1,225. It's not much, but definitely every little bit helps, so thank you very much to our new donor there. If you would like to donate to my fundraiser, you can go to the link down here. I'll put it in the description as well as in the pinned comments. There you'll find all the information you need, as why I'm running the LA Marathon, why I chose City of Hope, and of course to donate. And we'll wrap up week 12 here. Thank you so much for coming back and checking on my progress. If you're new to the channel and enjoy the adventures that we have here, or feel inspired for your own running journey, why not subscribe and maybe like the video, as it does help, and maybe reach others as well. Do come back next week as we have a whole new adventure, so you don't want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.